Hello, Dumelang Sanbonani guys. Welcome back to my channel. Poo poo poo. I'm going to review my favorite soapy called Genesis, which plays every day on Mzansi Magic Monday to Friday, 7:30, guys. Ishmael gives his girlfriend a call to take his girlfriend out. Wow, what a relationship, guys. This is so cute. This is very pretty, guys. So I'm loving the connection between Ishmael and Unobuhle. It was nothing much. It was just like Ishmael wants to take his girlfriend out. On the other side, Mpumi has a dream of a song. And unfortunately, her mother isn't buying the story. Because remember, Mpumi seems unemployed by the way I see it. But Maruna is a superstar which is signed to Genesis as an artist. So Mpumi had her chance of being a superstar like her sister, but at the same time things happened. So apparently she has a dream that she can't explain about, but the dream is a song and her mother does not even buy the story. But I just hope everything is gonna be fine. On the other side, guys, as you can see, Msizi is begging Gabriel to save Umsizi regarding Bonko adding his numbers and having to get closer to the truth. Because remember, Bonko felt like there was someone who's a mole working with Gabriel, and that person is Msizi. So Msizi has been working hand in hand on closed doors behind Genesis with Gabriel. Remember, Msizi is a producer in Genesis, and Gabriel is no longer a CEO in Genesis. So obviously, he'll do anything to take Genesis down. Bonko questions Msizi's career at Genesis through Felicia. So Felicia explains that Msizi went to varsity, couldn't pay for his tuition fees, and then Gabriel, I think, had to step up and pay for Msizi. So they discovered Msizi as a talented young producer at varsity. So when Msizi graduated, he was hired at Genesis to come and work with Genesis. And at that point, Bonko explained that he feels like Msizi is the mole. But then Felicia was more concerned about their friendship. She didn't want anything to like jeopardize their friendship. On the other side, the dream continues, guys. Mpumi, and no one is actually hearing Mpumi, but Maruna is trying to actually support her sister. What could the song be, guys? Like, I'm actually curious about what the song is about. So I don't know what you guys think, but I just can't wait to actually find out what the song is about, because she has like dreams and everything. But I just hope she gets support, and I just hope the song comes out the way we expect it to come out. On the other side, Bafethu Basetsana is telling Gabriel Uguti she has been hearing stuff about Gabriel, which is not really positive, negative stuff, that Gabriel is a nonchalant guy, all he cares about his business, and whatever he does to people, he uses people to get what he wants to achieve. And then when he's done with those particular people, he throws them under the bus. So Gabriel also expressed himself by saying, whatever happens, he needs Basetsana as his artist to perform, record songs only, and this is not Basetsana's business. So Basetsana must not put her nose under people's businesses, because she doesn't know anything about the industry, but should focus on being an artist. Crazy. Lovey-dovey continues, guys. I'm loving this. Ishmael and Nobuhle going out, just having fun. Felicia, trouble in paradise for Felicia, guys. It's another bad day at the office for Felicia, because Felicia is failing Genesis and its employees and the staff, because Maruna's album has not been producing good marketing sales. So Felicia is forced to write a motivational letter explaining herself why she needs to stay with Genesis as a CEO. I did not even expect Tandy to double cross. I wouldn't say double cross, but to be that silver with Felicia, that's crazy. The fun continues, guys. Hey, Ishmael on the other side of Nobuhle. I never knew Ishmael can dance. Yeah, that is fun. I won't lie. So the two producers meet up, guys, and it's not looking good, as you can see. Bonko told Umsizi that he suspects him as the mole of Genesis whatever happens in Genesis, Msizi is the one who actually reports everything to Gabriel. So it reached a point where Msizi was also dishonest, but Bonko was intelligent enough to actually like make Msizi lend him his phone so that he can go through his phone. In that way, he can find the truth. As you can see, guys, Bonko gives Msizi the phone first, and Msizi goes over Bonko's phone. Same thing happened with Msizi giving Bonko his phone, up until Msizi found out something he shouldn't have found out. Apparently, Bonko slept with Maruna, and Msizi found out the truth before Msizi even found out that Msizi is the mole. And whenever Bonko tried to like react, Msizi asked and emphasized the question, were you sleeping with Maruna? Yo, guys, now it's heating up. So now it's a 50-50 type of thing, because these guys are going to spy on each other, causing more trouble to each other, jeopardizing their friendship. And now I don't think these guys would be able to work together, because they are the most powerful producers in Genesis to ever be there in Genesis and work for Genesis as friends, and only producers, as brothers. Let me know what you think on the comments, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure everyone sees the video, guys. Support the video. Press that subscribe button. Thank you, guys, and please keep supporting the page. Please keep supporting the channel. Tell me what you think is going to happen next on Genesis, and don't forget to watch the show, guys. Thank you.